I would very humbly submit, sir, before arriving at this decision, Honorable, our Deputy Leader in the Lok Sabha and also Raksha Mantri of the country, and myself and my colleagues in the Parliament, Shri Muralidharan and Shri Arjun Meghwal ji, we have spoken to the almost all leaders of the various parties. And also I would like to clarify, in this extraordinary situation, your kind self agreed to the proposal to run the session for the 18 sittings. And I would like to ask very humbly to the various leaders who questioned the suspension of the question hour, sir, all assemblies, including Punjab, West Bengal and Rajasthan, Andhra Pradesh, Kerala, you have, no, when you have spoken, when you are speaking, we have listened, kindly listen to me. They have not even run the session. Sir, only 2 minutes, sir. 2 minutes, sir, 2 minutes. And they have run the session for 2 days or 1 day, and they have passed 20-25 bills. Whereas the government of India, under the leadership of Modi, we decided to run for 18 days and having discussion of all the bills. Second, sir, and in people who are talking, this is the basic structure of the parliament. In 1975, what had happened, entire country knows, and history is the witness for that, sir. And third thing is, already I have spoken, I have already said, in 1962 question hour was suspended, 75 suspended, 1976 suspended.
माननीय मंत्री जी, मैं व्यवस्था दे रहा हूँ 1 मिनट.
नहीं, last point, sir. In last 5 years, after Sri Narendra Modi ji got resounding victory for twice, 60% in Rajya Sabha and 40% in Lok Sabha question hour is wasted in spite of having the resounding victory and the people mandate. And in keeping that view, I urge, sir, with all humbleness at my command, that this is an extraordinary situation when assemblies are not ready to meet for a single day. With having around 800 to 850 MPs, we are meeting here under your guidance, and I appeal to them that there are so many ways to question the government, and government is not running away from the discussion. We are ready for the discussion, and we are going to reply for all the questions which you are going to raise.